Okay. What am I supposed to be watching here?
The exhaust pipe.
Okay. Trying to see how much it moves or something?
Did you see all the white smoke?
Yeah. Here, you might be able to I take it that's really bad?